What always fascinates me is like you put a scene together just silently with the dailies, and then you lay a piece of music over it. And amazing is sometimes the cuts just hit perfectly with the music. Like there's a change in the music and it hits exactly where there's a change in the scene. Like if you have a good internal rhythm, you have a better shot of being a good editor. This is from the last episode of Sex and the City, and this was a piece of music that Mikhail Baryshnikov wrote, and he wrote it for the show, and it was called Carrie's theme, although he called it Misha's theme, which was his name. And the writer sort of played this music in his head while he was writing this sequence, and it's just one of those amazing things that just work out with music. I put together this sequence, laid this music on top, and with very minor adjustments, it sort of all fell into place. She's eating a piece of bread in part of this. It always reminds me of The Gold Rush of Charlie Chaplin when he's dancing with the shoes. Editing is basically rhythm and pace and tempo, and you tend to sort of cut in like a 4/4 beat or whatever the beat is. It's rhythmic, and the music falls into those beats. And sometimes, obviously, you have to cut the music to fall in the right places, but sometimes it just lays right in, and it feels so good because it looks so great. At the very end, we're on Sarah Jessica Parker's face, and we're pushing into her face, and she blinks. And there's something happens in the music that every time I just go, wow.